In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo to your Canva resume. This quick and easy process will help you personalize your resume and add a professional touch. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Canva. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, but otherwise, just log in with your existing credentials. Once you're all set, head over to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on Create. This will open up a whole world of design possibilities, but for today, we're focusing on resumes. In the search bar that appears, type in Resume. You'll see a variety of templates pop up. Take your time browsing through them until you find one that fits your style and the type of job you're applying for. After selecting a template that speaks to you, go ahead and click on it. This action will open the template in this beautiful and intuitive Canva editor. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find several toolbar options there, and we're going to click on Uploads. This is your gateway to adding any images stored on your device into the Canva editor. Click on the button labeled Upload Files. From there, a window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your device's storage. Navigate to the location where your picture is saved and select it. As your photo uploads, you'll see it appear in the Uploads panel. Once it's there among your uploaded content, all you need to do is click on the photo and drag it onto your resume template. Sounds pretty simple, right? It is. With the photo now placed on the resume, it's time for some adjusting. Click and drag the corners of the photo to resize it. If you need to move it around, just click on the image and drag it to your desired location within the layout. The Canva editor is designed to be very user-friendly, so resizing and repositioning are smooth and intuitive processes. As you make these adjustments, think about where your picture fits best in the overall design, ensuring it enhances rather than distracts from the information on your resume. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully added a personal touch to your resume. With this skill under your belt, you can now make your job application stand out, showing potential employers that extra bit of personality and attention to detail. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!